Now let's talk about booleans. Okay, I will add the comment boolean. So the boolean has only two possible values. First one is true and the second one is false. Boolean is essential for logical conditions. So let's declare a boolean. Here it will start with bool. The data type is bool and we'll add the public keyword. Then we will have to declare the variables. I will say is start and I will make it false. Okay, here is it. So let's compile this and let's go to deploy and click on deploy, and here we have is start button and it false. We can make this true if we want and deploy it again. Here is the second one and here we go. So in future lessons we will learn about if else conditions and go deep into the boolean. So let's talk about addresses. So let me add variable name as address. Let's make it addresses, and here we can say in Ethereum the address will start with 0 and x like this. And for example, let's create the address variable address and I will get public and here my ACC address and equals. So if we go to deploy, in deploy tag we get the 10 accounts for our Ethereum virtual machine. So I will, here is our current address, our current account I select. So I will click here to copy account and here we go. Here is the address of my Ethereum account. So if I save this and let's delete this and here click on deploy and let's go here. Here is the address that we assign here. Now let's talk about the most important and advanced part. To do that, I will just create a double line comment like this, and here we have two type of addresses. First one is address and second one is address space payable. The payable is a keyword that we use in Ethereum. So this is a normal address. Here we can hold an address, and on the address payable we can hold an address and can receive ether. So those are the two types of addresses. We have this address payable and normal address is for security. It prevents you from accidentally sending money to a contract that don't have withdrawal option, or we don't have a way to burn that money. Okay, let's create a second type of address too. So I will create address payable and here can send money to my address, and here let's copy an address. So let's go here and I will click on the second address and copy the address and paste the address here, and now we got an error. So what we have to do is we have to make this payable. We can do it like this, and in future lessons I will talk more about this. For now, let's see what will happen. So here let's deploy this, and here we go. Here we have my account. Actually we have to make this public, and now let's deploy this like this, and here we go. Here we have payable address and here we have normal address. And if you want to write function that send ether to user, that user's address must be defined as payable. In future lessons we will learn more about those stuff.